10 best graphics card for Fortnite in 2022. There are so many graphic cards in the market and the selection becomes difficult, so I gathered all the necessary information about the specifications to help you choose the optimum graphic card. Now you don't have to gather information from different places. This article provides you with all the necessary information you need to know before buying the best graphics card for playing Fortnite. Best graphic card for Fortnite in 2022. Number 1, thermal design, power, memory, interface, connections. Number 1, Avga GeForce GTX 1060 best graphic card for Fortnite. The first recommended graphic card for playing Fortnite is Avga GeForce GTX 1060 6GB SSC Gaming ACX. This graphic card is loaded with innovative gaming technologies, making it the perfect choice for the latest high definition games. Its pros are no overheating, affordable price, great power consumption, silent operation. Cons, no extra protection. Number 2, FGA GeForce GTX 1070 FTW2 best gaming graphics card for Fortnite. This graphic card takes your gaming experience to a whole new level and makes you forget that you have a physical body. You can now play Fortnite on ultra settings. Its pros are reputable company, affordable price, no overheating, runs any game. Cons, fans are a bit noisy. Number 3, SFX Radeon RX 580 GTS Black Edition 1425 MHz OC+. XFX Radeon RX 580 is a pocket-friendly graphic card and has a RAM of 8 GB. It is equipped with XFX double dissipation cooling. If you are interested in 1080p 60 fps, then RX 580 is perfect for you. This graphic card requires 1 8 pins to connect your power supply to your graphic card. Its pros are runs Fortnite well at 1920x 1080 resolution, looks fantastic with the Fox carbon fiber of the shroud, easily clocks to 1425 mHz, does not require any boost in power or voltage to hit overclocks. The card is tranquil during operation. Cons, dimensions are very large. Number 4, MSI Gaming GeForce GTX 1080 8GB GDDR5X SLI DirectX. The thermal and potential performance is very efficient. The solid metal black plate is included for extra toughness and finished looks. Its pros: performance is extraordinary, build quality, powered by a single 8-pin connector, beautiful design, excellent temperatures, dust covers for all the ports, reference board layout. Cons, expensive. Number 5, Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1050 Ti G1 Gaming 4G. Gigabyte is committed to providing solutions that make your life easier. They are consumer oriented from the very beginning of your product design to the end of the value chain. Its pros are fast, smooth, and efficient gaming, support for the latest DirectX 12 features, improved performance and efficiency. Cons, fans might be noisy. Number 6, Asus ROG Strix GeForce RTX 2080 Ti overclocked. This graphics card is a beast. RTX 2080 Ti is faster and runs cool. The PCB support gives a sturdy rigidity to it. Its performance is outstanding and it makes Fortnite as real as it can be. Asus ROG Strix GeForce RTX 2080 Ti is quite expensive, but I assure you it's worth every dollar. Pros: the great overclocking, runs cool, RGB is great, very efficient, sturdy, and well packaged. Cons: best but expensive. Number 7, FJ GeForce GTX 1080 Ti Founders Edition Gaming. FJ GeForce GTX 1080 Ti can handle Fortnite on ultra setting. You can play it on 4K. The Founders Edition is a reference card and is compact. The card packed with extreme horsepower. It has a massive 11 GB frame buffer. Pros: performance is extraordinary. Build quality. You can play on maximum settings. Does not slow down at all. Cons: overheating might be a problem. Number 8, FJ GeForce GTX Titan X 12 GB Gaming Play 4K. Brace yourselves because the graphic card I am going to introduce to you is one of its kind. It runs every game in 4K and ultra max settings. Pros: Amazing cooling system, overclocks like a champ, a lot quieter, cons expensive. 9. AMD GeForce RTX 2080 XC Gaming 8GB GDDR6. The AMD GeForce GTX 2080 is powered by all new NVIDIA turning architecture to give you an incredible new level of gaming reality. You won't be disappointed by the speed plus the power efficiency is the best. This gaming card gives you the best gaming experience with the next generation graphics performance and ice cold cooling. The advanced overclocking features are everything you could ever ask for. Pros clocks work great, better than 1080 Ti. Temperatures are good, pretty quiet. Cons you cannot control LED lights. Number 10 Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2060. The last graphic card on my article is Zotac RTX 2060. Don't ever be afraid to get this card because it is as awesome as it should be. Its performance is just great. Pros pocket friendly, great performance, ultra fast memory. Cons none.